if something goes wrong. You looked as frightened as I was.
He must be so scared.
I looked at him and I saw
It's
myself.
so hard to say that I'm sorry.
Once in your life, would you please just listen to me? You're the last son.
All these things that I've done, now what have I become and where'd I go wrong? I don't need to know just
And the last thing we want to do is ask a little girl
I
to
will
come and see
tell you lies.
Give me a chance to explain.
Stand accused with my hand on my heart. I'm just trying to say I'm sorry.
Then I won't speak. Just let me show you.
I can say